Hi guys, in this video we're going to go through different prompts using the new Bard AI, trying to explore and try to advise how we can actually grow on social media, TikTok, Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts. We're gonna ask Bard and we're gonna see what kind of strategies Bard is able to give us simply by using a couple of prompts. If you've seen my other videos, we had amazing success with starting a dropshipping business or identifying niches or potential products. Very good integration of Google Bard and Google Trends. You want to make sure you watch these videos as well. So in this example over here, let's start with the basics. Let's say that we want to become a very successful creator on TikTok. Please give us a content strategy so we can content strategy and roadmap for getting 10,000 followers and join the creativity program. Let's see what kind of strategy Bart will give us, because we all know 10,000 followers is the requirement for you to join creativity program beta. I do have an account that is part of it, so it's very good. Let's see how you can achieve that if you start from scratch today. Google Bard says that content strategy for growing on TikTok, reaching 10,000 followers. Phase number 1 will be to find our niche and build the foundation. It will take us between 1 to 4 weeks. Step number 1, discover your unique voice. What are you passionate about? What skills or knowledge can you share? Don't be afraid to be niche. Conduct audience research, understanding your target audience, interests, demographics, and content preferences. Well, this will be hard considering that you just starting, right? You probably don't have any data. Choose your posting frequency and consistency, daily, multiple times a week, or less frequency with higher quality. Optimize your profile, use a clear and relevant bio, high quality profile picture, and engaging username. Everything looks very useful so far, guys. It's not too generic. It's not some random stuff from ChatGPT. Phase 2, it will take us between 5 to 8 weeks. Engaging content creation. Step number 1 will be to experiment with different content formats. Bard AI wants us to try different trends, to run challenges, tutorials, comedy sketches, educational content, storytelling, collaborations. Also want us to focus on video quality. That's something we already know. Optimize captions and hashtags, we all know that. Engaging with the audience. Sure, if you do live streams, you can essentially engage much more. I agree with that. Phase 3 will be 9 to 12 weeks. That's a long time. Analyze your performance, use TikTok analytics, we know that. I have plenty of videos on this topic as well, guys. You need to check out the channel. Then collaborate with other creators, run promotional campaigns. That doesn't work so well. Participate on TikTok challenges. That's actually good. Additional tips: be authentic and genuine, stay consistent, have fun. Join the creativity fund. Reaching 10,000 followers is a prerequisite for joining the program. Once eligible, apply to the program. So this is the roadmap, guys. This is what you are going to achieve and what you should expect. So month first will be just experimentation with different content formats until you find your own bread and butter. Month second will be simply focusing and improving the video quality, engagement, and optimization after you find the topic and the niche. Month 3 will simply be collaboration with other creators, run promotional campaigns, and try to ride the waves of what is currently trending. The last month will be analyzing your results, refine your strategy, and double down on what is working, and essentially stop losing your time on what doesn't. Remember, TikTok takes time, and it has to be anyone has to be patient and stay consistent, keep creating content. I agree, I had maybe 3,000 videos until I actually got into the program. I think this is very helpful, guys. We can actually utilize this. I think we can actually get step by step. Let me ask last question. Can we shrink down the time frame? Because it sounds too long. I understand people wanna get faster results. Okay, so this is the updated version. Only within 2 months, guys, you can have 10,000 followers on TikTok if you follow the strategy. This is exactly what I was talking about. So guys, again, Part AI didn't disappoint, gave us the right strategy and potential results and step-by-step tutorial guide, something that I couldn't get with ChatGPT. Make sure you watch my other videos with different experiments using Part AI. For more tips like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more.